DJM
Welcome to DJM TV Weekly News Update. I am Laolo Favor. Please, if you're new to this channel, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Also click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
I just the shout. Now they hear me, so I just the shout. But I don't say na reality. I don't tell now. But in Nigeria, now the leaders them. It's not the future of the future generation of this country. The future leader, but now and the old papa them. It's not the future leaders them. But they go fail. I say we lazy. Shey we lazy, we agree with ourselves, but when I don't see our hard work. Yahoo boys, now our government now mislead them to do Yahoo. I not be Yahoo boy, but I go learn I know today. Let's not go school for 8 years. Go study, go come back. Frustration. We make I go do what you're not supposed to because of our government. How much are they receive House of Rep? House of Assembly, how much are they receive senators? Now they receive salaries of waiting like thousands of Nigerian youth go tell power themselves. Now they call themselves leader. Cheke Barawo. Now father well. See man, time go come Omala we to get to.
Go boss.
See what the airport them you not gonna want to go. See all of them we go find on us.
Go all everywhere stand.
See now revolution they cause not be clear. I dey bros, I don't die. They hear me so I got nothing to lose. I know why. I not get one error. When I feel say I begin go abroad though, but that their name when they answer, how go they find this?
Go find them go anywhere.
Any name on a beer, as how we hear that name. For example, call here Buhari. I don't call here Buhari from one place. Like keep it this, I go finance. I call here Tinubu. I call here one kind name. Like say, go plan with the disturb us, the youth of this country. I call here their name in future to come. They are children. Now Dodo be their name. They create.
Bros, they come make I ask them one question.
Ask them.
And they come out of this. All those crew them. I've been a devil. What I call on now?
Ask them.
Just small question. What do I lose if we get industrial light for this our country?
Exactly. I will get the resource.
What do I lose?
We get energy. We get sun.
If we get better road.
Yes.
For this country. What do I lose if I give the youth?
Tell them.
Work, they get our home. What do I lose? That's who I be. I'm not even wicked but the devil himself. See me I tell on now, I'm not even get where I go stay for fire. Devil go, he go reject on that.
He go pursue on you. I want clear on our doubts. Before I want find confusion between the youth. They made a fight themselves. But my Lord, I don't want to. For Niger Delta, when I bring on politics, this my now Roboman, this my na Asian man, this my na Shekiri man. Oh man, you know how they do to? On a factor, see, we don't know on a plan. We not feel distrust.
We go all Luna.
Now say we gather yes.
Now we not fight.
See, when say we gather yes, now so we gather meet on a corner. Nah, we found like sugar all on we go invest all of see, we go shop on now.
The all one na dey so
We not right though.
Find una go
very soon Pints go so enter yansh.
No joy.
You know tey, but we
don't get joy, no joy.
If I leave in my profession, if I enter the street,
we lazy. I wish na Akala we dey get.
I don't see.
When I say we get power, see us.
Una know the story.
We lazy. We not lazy. That woman wey don die finish tell us say we lazy. Say we no fit work. Don't worry.
I know they laugh. Rich belle.
Men go travel.
I will laugh as I will laugh.
Men go travel.
As we laugh, now so we get inside.
If it happen, men go travel.
We laugh as we get inside.
All those money on a gather so.
I just show ourselves.
Now FOI and I the money take the wage one.
I dey show ourselves. See, I will see we no get joy, we get woofly.
Woofly let me our shame.
See, joy na for now. We no get joy for now.
What are they?
Now woofly.
What are they travel? They come out for the country. We are they go so.
Bros.
Now they see am.
Now
But now they see things, so that's someone that carry things, come here, come do things.
Wait, on they see her.
na father.
My
Don't worry.
papa.
When I come to fool,
He go red.
Una father.
Cup, eh?
Blood,
House of
eh?
Rep
Cup, eh?
members,
Blood go be like
House of
water. They go
Assembly,
drink am.
even the governors, people they represent us for the country. We like say we say una go mission, now una they go to now selfish interest. Thunder fire now.
It go happen.
Una children, eh?
It go happen.
We dey come for them.
Our father wait.
See, ah,
we'll meet there.
look me. I be like the fear die.
See there.
Eh? Look me where I be like
Look
the
the
fear die.
eye there.
Not be today youth don dey die now.
Yeah.
Fela don talk am before. We feel say na yoke.
If
But
you
now, we don take out our hands. Bros, anything I want to go na do. 1,000 of una no fit defeat millions of Nigerians.
Bros, if you 200, I go travel.
See,
Oh,
calculate all the governors, House of Rep members, House of Senate. They not pass 1,000. Now they control millions of Nigerians. Say because una get one power, now they craze.
You
The
go have-
power na wiki una we will take am back.
we'll take her back.
We'll collect that power
My
back.
father.
Very soon. Election dey come now.
Papa.
See and listen oh, now listen. See we want dictate now for now. And the youth get the dictation of this country.
Yes.
The next presidency for Nigeria, below 40 years. If una go bring una grandpa come represent us again, Shege Bara will turn that fire on
I
our
go
head.
clear.
Bros, see wetin dey be say.
The next president,
We not go wait make
Below
God
40.
destroy this war. Now who go use that to destroy the war?
the next governors below 40,
E don reach like that.
House of
We
Rep
not go
below
wait for
40,
God. We go use our own hand.
chairman
Any
local
governor,
government
You know they be anything.
below 30. If una go carry una grandpa come rule us again, turn that fire on
Oh,
us.
that problem.
Na go carry people don get 4th generation, all the Tinubu, all the Buhari, people like say they get great grandchildren. Call see bros, see
They can't jump. They jump
One
anyhow.
time.
see turn that fire on us.
Nah.
Na bush go
Una
end
mama
down.
yansh, see una mama yansh una for come outside.
Na bush go end down. Men go fall
Yes.
back. Shege.
Upload this thing.
Rod. Better go
Upload
down.
that inside for the minute.
DJA TV. DJA TV.
Nigeria is now or never. You either love it or lose it forever. Nigeria is now or never. We rather love it and keep it for good. Freedom is now or never. We either win it or lose it forever. Freedom is now or never. We rather win it and keep it for good. Let me hear you. Sika Ozi, Jai Kama. Sika Ozi, Kanje Bahana, Jai Kama. Adamede Sika Ozi, Kama Bahana, Jai Kama. Kanje Sika Ozi, Kanje Bahana, Jai Kama. Africa is now or never. Nigeria is now or never. You either love it or lose it forever. Nigeria is now or never. We rather love it and keep it for good. Freedom is now or never. We either win it or lose it forever. Freedom is now or never. We rather win it and keep it for good. Let me hear you. Sika Ozi, Jai Kama. Sika Ozi.
DJA TV.
That's the news for the week. But before we go, we'd love to say a very big thank you to some of our supporting members. Arinze Agulolu, Favor Olamide, Ada Dollars Ville, GKH Foundation, Cheesy 1DK, Eve Dow TV, Anointed Lady TV, and others too numerous to mention. Please, if this is your first time of seeing our videos, do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you receive videos from us as soon as they drop. Also, follow us on all our social media platforms. Also on our website www.djmtv.news, where we drop news 24 hours every day. I am Lawuru Favor. Thanks for watching.
DJM TV.